Adish here and welcome back to the second video of How To channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make the Fuljar mocktail. The Fuljar fruit mocktail. So it's actually healthy for children and adults. So let me start with the ingredients. So you can see here, this is the actual ingredients. You can see the honey. Here's a ripe mango. Here's ginger, not the full ginger, half of a ginger. A red apple. And last of all, you can see this is a watermelon. So to reduce the amount of time wasted, I had just cut this and sliced this, the diced fruits. So you can see here the watermelon, the apples, mango, ginger and the honey. And also I kept honey and also the watermelon juice. This could help us. So we also need carbonated soda, which is very important. And let me start with the items we need. We need a glass and a small glass. So let's start with the process. Keep this aside. Now keep this over here, guys. Take this small cup, you can see. Take a spoon. It's very important to have a spoon. Take the mango, pour it in. Not too many. You can see how much I have put in the mango. Take some of this watermelon. Pour it in. Take some apple. You can just take an apple. And also keep this honey, which is needed. Not the entire honey, just about half the honey. Okay, this is about enough. And also you need this, which is the spoon. We need to take this slowly. Pour this here. Make sure it reaches to the tip of the cup. And now, yeah. So you have done with the half of the how to make. Okay. Now it's time. It's time to take the carbonated water. The soda. Now you have to open this soda. Okay, it's kind of difficult, but I'll do it, guys. Kind of hard, Daddy. Dad, can you please help? It's kind of hard to open this. Okay.
This way to see it hold like that.
Okay. It's kind of hard, actually.
Wait.
Oh. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. It's kind of
some ginger.
Oh yes, the ginger, I forgot. You can see some ginger. We need to pour this acid over here. Oh, sorry. Over here. Now take the soda. Try to pour about, you can see, a little more. Yep, about this much. This is enough. Now guys, the final part. I'm going to take this in. I know what's going to happen, guys. I'm going to put this in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, no. Okay, Dad, can you come and try this? I worked really hard on it. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, no. Oh,
see
no.
The bubbles, I like it. Two carbonate.
How was it, Dad?
No, it's very tasty, very nice.
Seriously, let me try some of this.
Oh, very nice. What's that?
Nice. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to make this at home as this is really good. And I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you guys later.